Klindex, granite polishing and grinding. We'll start the grinding with a GS1 diamond metal disc and with the K2000 planetary. Put the planetary between the two blocks of the levigator. The water pipe in the special hole, the splash guard, and finally the primary weight. The 18 liters tank will allow a high autonomy. The first passage with GS1 is the most important, as it will remove any imperfections and irregularities from the floor. It won't be possible to obtain a perfect brightness if the floor isn't perfectly leveled. Vacuum the grinding mud after every passage. Then go on with GS2 diamond abrasives, taking care to work on the surface in a uniform way.
That is a fact. Yes, we're lovers. That is that. Though nothing will keep us together, we could still die.
Go on with GS3. It's appropriate to make 2 cross passages.
Forever and ever, what you say.
At this point, go on with Pavelux 3 and Pavelux 4. Pavelux G abrasives will contribute to a perfect closure of the granite microporosity. On very porous materials like rosabeta, ghiandone or cerizzi, we suggest to use also the Pavelux G5 abrasives.
Nothing will keep us together.
After having carefully aspirated, it's now the turn of GK5. Add activator 2 to sharpen the diamond.
Just for one day.
Then you'll go on with GK6, 7 and 8. During these operations, you can add 3 additional weights. Disassemble the planetary to perform the next stage. Hook the thermal disc at the place of the planetary, being careful to make the bracket bit to the body of the levigator. Spread a little quantity of polish Kg, put the discolux, and add some water. We suggest to operate on little fractions of floor, gradually. Thanks to a patented system, the thermal disc produces heat, which, in turn, is transmitted to the floor, warming it. The combined thermochemical action with polishing Kg will obtain the best and more rapid polishing of the granite. Wash with some clean water and let it dry. When the floor is dry and clean, apply crystal blue. Work with the red disc and the thermal disc until the floor will be completely dry. We suggest to work on little portions of floor gradually. The crystal blue is a polishing created by Klindex, which will exalt the polishing, give tone to colors, and will make the floor shiny and uniform. If used regularly for the maintenance of granite and grass floors subject to a high traffic, the crystal blue will allow to restore the original shine and to prevent the formation of microabrasions and opacifications.